Hello, I am Harshara. Welcome to the class of silent letters. These are the letters which are not pronounced but make a huge difference to the meaning and pronunciation of the whole word. There are about 60% of words in English which have silent letters. Here, you will learn about rules for different silent letters along with some exceptions. Rule for silent letter B. Letter B is usually silent after M at the end of the word. Examples: tomb, crumb, thumb, climb, plumber. B is also silent before letter T in words like debt, doubt, doubtful, subtle. B is present in these words, but we have to take care not to pronounce it. Letter C is usually silent in the combination of SC. Examples: ascent, ascend, descend, fascinate, muscle, scissors. C is also not pronounced before letters K and Q in words like black, lock, kick, acquire, acquit, acquaintance. Look at the silent letter D. It is usually not pronounced when it appears before letters N, G, K, S, and W. Examples: Wednesday, grudge, hedge, handkerchief, handsome, sandwich. Letter E is silent when it appears at the end of words like fire, earphone, airplane, table, write, give. It is sometimes not pronounced before D in second and third form of verb. Examples: fixed, backed, stopped, finished, sponsored. Letter G is often mute when it comes before letter N. Examples: foreign, design, align, champagne, consign. There are some exceptions when G is pronounced when it comes before N. Examples are signature, magnet, cognitive, and igneous. GH is silent when it comes after a vowel. Look at this in these words: wait, write, daughter, thought, thorough. You can see GH pronounced as F in these words: laugh, rough, cough, enough, draft. H is usually not pronounced when it appears after W. Examples: what, when, which, where, whether. Some exceptions are who, whole, whose, whom. H is mute at the beginning of many words like honest, honor, hour, air. You have to use the article an with these words. Letter K is always mute when it comes before letter N at the beginning of a word. Examples are knock, gnaw, need, night, knife, knee. Letter L is usually silent after the vowels A, O, U. Examples are calm, half, folk, could, would. Letter N is silent when it comes after letter M at the end of a word. Examples are hymn, dam, column, autumn, condemn. Letter P is not pronounced at the beginning of many words in combinations of PS, PN, PT. Examples are psychiatrist, psychology, pneumonia, pneumatophores, pteridophyta, pteris. PH is sometimes pronounced as F in these words: phonetic, photostable, paragraph, telephone, philosophy. Letter S is not pronounced in some words like island, isle, isle, Jesse, debris. Letter T is not pronounced in these words: Christmas, wrestler, often, whistle, buffet, debut. U is not pronounced in words like ought, guilty, biscuit, guess, circuit, build. In the end, have a look at letter W, which is mute in these words: answer, who, to, sword, wrist, wrong. So, these were some rules which will help you to pronounce words with silent letters. It will make your spellings and pronunciation learning easier. I'll see you soon. Happy English learning. Bye.